Going on YouTube? 3 Thumbs RC coming back at you with another bashing video. Now we're out this new construction site, just me, got the Outcast 8S fully M2C-ified, also got the Kraton 6S over here. This one's got M2C all over the place, so we're gonna be bashing with these 2 rigs out here today. We'll see if I don't get the boot. This is a new spot for me. It's a nice spot though. There's one big nasty rock in the middle I gotta avoid, and should be some gaps over there, so we'll see how this goes. Obviously got M2C Outcast. Check out one of my other videos if you want to see the whole breakdown on that. Got the chassis, the steering rack, the hinge pin kits. Got this also the engine rack on there, engine mount, and yeah, so we're gonna bash this thing. And we're ready to go. So like, comment, subscribe. Let's do this, baby. Let's get rid of this rock before it kills me. This thing gonna be a dusty one. Whew, I can't even see her. Let's check those tires real quick. See if they're holding up. And they're... I had to glue some of these. It's coming loose last time. All right. They look to be good. Yeah. All right, this place made for 8S, I'll tell you that. Man, this thing is a beast. Oh, this truck is just so much fun. I got this camber kicking in a little bit already in the back. I gotta get a nut on there. She is just a beast, guys. I'm gonna go down to this other spot, check it out. I'm gonna run my Kraton. All right, let's get this Kraton on. Yeah, that'll stop you real quick. Appreciate y'all watching. This is Three Sons RC. We need to come back here. We got a little bit more light because that looks fun over there. And we had a blast. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, props to Mitch Looper, M2C Racing. These rigs are just awesome. Arrma, man, build some tough rigs out there. M2C just making them even tougher. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Peace out. Cool, now I get to carry these two beasts back to my car. It's right over there. No big deal, but hey, bad planning, my bad. All right, that was not fun. Can somebody please ring up Kevin Talbot? Tell him to bring me back my RC wagon, because that was not fun carrying them this far. Hey, Kevin, come on. Give me back my RC wagon. Come on, man.